camera. We are on our way to Blizzard Beach. Yay! Disney! Our first Disney experience of the holiday. I'm so happy. Oh, there we go.
Here comes the sign.
How exciting! Welcome to Blizzard Beach. Standing in a water jet. We're in Blizzard Beach and the park has officially just opened. So we're heading for a spot to leave our towels. Oh, and I'm just walking through water. Here's the lazy river. There's a duck in the wave pool. I'll follow you, you choose. Look, there's a duck. So I'm by myself now. I'm at the bottom of some swirly toboggany racer things and Mike's just gone up there. So I'm waiting for him to come down because there's no way I'm going on anything. I hate water rides. So these swirly ones is what he's going on. Did you have a good time? How was it?
So fast.
Really?
Really fast.
Looks terrifying. You wouldn't catch me doing that. So Mike has done slide number 1, he's now on slide number 2, which is the toboggan races. I think I called the other one that, because honestly I really don't know what any of these rides are called, but this is what he's going on. Okay, I think I can see Mike, he's like in the furthest lane. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's going to be in like this lane here. Okay. Sorry.
Alright guys, welcome back. Go ahead and switch your back, walk all the way down and exit to your right for me please. Walk all the way down and exit to your right. Thank you.
Was it good? Have fun?
I swear that was faster than last time.
Maybe it's because you were on a different one.
Huh?
Maybe because you were on this one. And last time you
Not mind that,
were on that one.
give it more speed.
Ah, maybe that's it.
Alrighty guys, go ahead and pick
So
up
Mike's
your
just going on the toboggan racer thing again, because he likes
right
that, and he's just on the other one again.
Walk all the way down.
So I'm just going back to wait at the bottom, but I'm not going to sit on the rocks this time because I don't want to get told off. Okay, can I just say that these people that are going on this here, which is Summit Plummet, are absolutely crazy. Like, it looks terrifying. It's pretty much like a vertical drop. I mean, look at these people, just look at them go. It's like vertical. That looks horrendous. Never in a million years. You couldn't pay me to go on that. You couldn't even pay me to go on these water slides. I just do not do any types of water slides ever. Due to the experience of almost drowning countless times on them. Okay, so I think that's Mike up there by himself. Bless him, he's got no one to race against. That's so funny. That's hilarious. Oh, he's definitely going to win this race. Yay, you won!
Alrighty there. Go ahead and pick up your mat. Walk all the way down and exit to your right.
This looks absolutely terrifying. It goes so fast. Oh my god.
Oh no, he's come on.
Oh, that must have been so painful. That poor guy.
At least he didn't have to return his ring.
Oh no, that just looks painful. God. That was not funny. That poor guy. So Mike's going on to another ride, which is some tube thing, which is this. I have no idea what it's called. But he's just gone up somewhere over there. And I guess it's that tubey thing there. You would not catch me on that. I wonder which tube he's going to come out of. I'm going to say the middle one. Everyone seems to be coming out the middle one at the moment. So far no one's coming out of the third one yet. Okay, so I come to the conclusion, this one here is like the kiddie one. The one in the middle seems to be the most popular. No one's come out this one, so this must be the danger one, which is the one Mike's probably going to come out of. There he is. He came out the first one. Okay, so Mike's crazy hand signal back there, which I thought was come and see me, means I'm going on it again. So he's going back on it, so I'm just going to wait here and watch him. Oh, middle one this time. How he goes on these things, I'll never know. Oh, he fell over. So Mike is now going on the family raft ride by himself because I point blank refused to go on it. And I'm just waiting here. This is the exit of it. So I'm in this little sheltered bit. And over there, you can't really see it, but like right over there, there is a hidden Mickey. There he is. Was it good? How was it?
It was really, really good fun.
Awesome. Can you take my picture standing with a hidden Mickey?
Yep.
Not that it's that hidden. That stairlift does look quite cool.
Doesn't it?
Although, it still looks quite dangerous as well. What is it out?
You got a handlebar comes over.
Oh, okay. Yeah, people going down Summit Plummet, that's just crazy. So we're heading down to the lazy river and I'm not looking forward to it because the water looks really cold.
Well, on the plus side, viewers, you will get to see another version of me trying to get into a rubber ring.
Oh yeah, that's funny.
We go.
Cross country creek, that's what it's called. Okay. This is Mike trying to get into his rubber ring.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, you did it first time, well done. We got on the thing, but it's really scary. On the lazy river. Actually managed to get on the hole. So you lied to me, you told me there's no waterfalls. And there is a waterfall. There's apparently a waterfall. It's what? No, come back! Come back! You have to stay with me, you can't run off. I point blank refuse to go through this waterfall. This waterfall here. So Mike is in there with my cub by himself. And I'm going to walk around. Oh, yeah, I can't deal with that. I can't deal with that at all. Just walking along to the entrance. I like how there's like a little entrance to get out before the waterfall caves, and there's an entrance to get in as soon as you come out of the waterfall caves. So every time we go around, I just have to get in and get out. But that's okay, I can do that. This is a map of where we are. Yeah, I can do that. I just... yes, I can't do the waterfall caves. It's not good, no. You having fun?
I am having fun. Oh, I'm a bit hungry now. You're filming me saying I'm hungry.
Yeah, so we're in our little tube still, jetting down the river casually, avoiding the waterfalls at all costs. Mike said there's a house that's coming up that's going to squat us, so I'm like, we need to make sure we're on the opposite side so that he doesn't get me wet.
Both sides.
Oh no! I might have to get out.
It's not that bad. It's just like.
I'd be like, divert.
Go around.
I'm back in my tub, my tube. The nice people over there. They grabbed hold of Mike's leg because he was floating off downstream, and I was like, no, come back, don't leave me.
Jack and Rose.
Yeah, I like it now when it's all gone nice and relaxing and tranquil, and there's no evil waterfalls or anything. I'm quite happy though, I discovered I can touch the bottom, so if I need to get out and run, that's always good if I need to evacuate the tube at a moment's notice. Going under a bridge. I've just evacuated the tube once more. We've avoided the evil wetness, which is that sprinkle jet over there. Yeah, and I don't really know what's going on behind me because I can't see. Is it safe? Don't do evil laugh. Not in water parks, it's not funny. Have a look. Don't spin me either! No, don't spin me, I don't like being spun. It's horrible. The battery's dying. I'm gonna say goodbye now, just in case the battery completely dies, and then we can't say goodbye from the water park, so see you later. Mike got sun cream in his eyes. Look how much water is in my shoe. Oh.